In today's video, we are going to transform this basic floor plan to a professionally looking plan from scratch. So if you're a beginner, this is exactly what you need. We are going to start by setting the walls, move down into windows and doors annotation, and finally into filling empty spaces. And without waste of time, let's dive in. I'm going to set my walls professionally, and to do that, I'm going to click on walls, Ctrl A on my keyboard, double click on walls. Under geometry, floor plan section, I'm going to change the cut line pen from this black to green. Under override cut line fill pen, I'm going to change it to both, and on the color, I'm going to change the color to black, and on windows, I'm equally going to change the color to black. I'll get down to uncut line pen and change the color to green. Once done, I'm going to click OK. This is not the quality of walls I need, so I'm going to navigate to options, element attributes, pen and color, and I'm going to choose the green color which I choose earlier, and I'm going to set in a dimension of 0.60. Once done, I'm going to click OK. Navigate to my screen, I'm going to right click, move down to true line width, and I'm going to activate it. Now my plan is becoming interesting. For the furnitures, I'm going to move to objects, pressing Ctrl A on my keyboard, double click on objects. I'm going to move to floor plan and section, select override object lines, override object pens, and we're going to change the color of the pen to arch. So I'm going to do the same for this. For the surfaces, I'm going to change it to arch. Once done, I'm going to click OK. We are going to move into annotating our windows, and to do that, we are going to select the windows we are going to annotate. So we select all the windows with same size. We are going to click on windows, then move to dimension marker and change from no marker to basic window door marker. Uniform text, and move down to marker style. So type in 100 here, 150, 100. On the text height, put it to be 0.8. Then move to marker settings. Instead of by, put X for your keyboard. Move to classification properties. Instead of WD, type in WD01. Once done, you are going to click OK. Then we want to dimension the main window. You do the same, you follow the same procedure as the second window type too. You can start by selecting this door and this door. They have the same dimensions, 90-90. You move to doors. Same thing, dimension marker. You're going to use basic door marker, uniform. Move down to marker style, add this to 150, text height down to 0.8. Go to marker settings. Instead of by, you put X. Close, go to classification properties, W, so you can type in DR01. Done. You do the same for the second one. Once done, you are going to click on file, down to save, and you are going to save the project on desktop under today as subscribe to my channel. Like I say, subscribe guys, subscribe. Once done, you click save. Another important aspect we will cover is placing our areas. So to do that, we are going to click on fill command. Make sure show text area and subtraction zones. This is on airspace. Then once done, we are going to click OK, and we'll start by filling the parlor. We are going to draw from this edge to this edge. This is the area of our parlor. It will always be at the edge of where you selected. So our parlor is 21.82 meters. Just double click on fill and change the color here to this. Once done, click OK. So the next one we are going to do for this room, the kitchen is 9 meters, 12 meters, 13 meters, and so on and so forth. You are going to equally write the annotations. For example, you are going to click on text, and here you are going to write in bedroom. Extend it. You are going to drag it using this command. I'm going to drag a copy and equally place it on this bedroom this way. Well, we are going to click on fill and make sure that we change 5x5 diagonal, and we'll make sure that our sorting line is activated, show area text and subtraction zone is activated. We are going to fill this area, so we are going to fill it this way. And ensure that this is at the center. You are going to do the same thing this way. So under fill, you are going to move this way to this other point, and then we are going to type here balcony. So on text, we are going to put balcony. So put balcony.